Hi everyone, I am Abel Matthew Manoj studying BCom CA at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am here to give a presentation on e-commerce. In this presentation, we are going to learn about these contents. What is e-commerce? Types of e-commerce, advantages of e-commerce, disadvantages of e-commerce, applications of e-commerce, most common websites that uses e-commerce, traditional commerce versus e-commerce, influence of e-commerce on traditional commerce, impact of e-commerce on Indian economy, developments in Indian e-commerce sectors, artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence can impact on e-commerce experience, and conclusion. What is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over an electronic network, primarily the internet. These business transactions occur either as business to consumer, consumer to consumer, or consumer to business. Types of e-commerce: business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to administration, consumer to administration. Advantages of e-commerce: no geographical limitations, easy way to gain customers by search engine visibility, lower investment, locate product quickly, save travel time and cost, abundance of information, 24 into 7 open for all the customers. Disadvantages of e-commerce: security problems, website crash, no possibility for testing, delivery can be delayed, some products are difficult to buy online, severe competition, shipping problems. Applications of e-commerce: retail and wholesale, finance, manufacturing, marketing, online shopping, mobile and web applications, education, and health. These are some of the most common websites that uses e-commerce: Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, Shopcluse, Paytm Mall, etc. Difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. Traditional commerce: it is difficult to establish and maintain standard practices. E-commerce: it is easy to establish and maintain standard practices. Traditional commerce: direct interactions through seller and buyer is present. E-commerce: carried out by internet or other network communication technology. Traditional commerce: processing of transaction is manual. E-commerce: processing of transaction is automatic. Traditional commerce: delivery of goods is instant. E-commerce: delivery of goods takes time. Traditional commerce: opens for limited time. E-commerce: opens all the time. Traditional commerce: customers can inspect products physically before purchase. E-commerce: customers cannot inspect the products before purchase. Influence of e-commerce on the traditional commerce. Turnover: due to e-commerce, the turnover of traditional businesses has reduced. Profit margin: on the arrival of online shops in the market, offline retailers are suffering from pricing. Discount: offline traders are compelled to sell their products at discounted prices because online shops offers heavy discount. Variety of stocks: variety of goods are offered by the online stores where offline retailers cannot compete because at the end of the year the leftover stocks can give a huge loss to the retailers. Impact of e-commerce on Indian economy. E-commerce is the connecting rural India for the business, hence develop the village economy. In the Union Budget of 2017 to 2018, government has allocated rupees 1.55 billion to BharatNet project. Government of India announced various initiatives like Digital India, Make in India, Startup India, Skill India, etc. For the participation of foreign players, Indian government hiked the limit of FDI in e-commerce marketplace. Developments in Indian e-commerce sector. In January 2020, Divine Solitaires launched its e-commerce platform. In February 2020, Flipkart set up a furniture experience center in Kolkata, its first online presence in eastern India. In April 2020, Reliance Industries started home delivery of essentials in partnership with local Kirana stores in Navi Mumbai, Thane, and Kalyan. In Union Budget 2020 to 2021, government has allocated rupees 8,000 crore to Bharat Net project to provide broadband services to 150,000 Grama Panchayats. What is artificial intelligence? It refers to the software technologies that make a robot or computer act and think like a human. Some software engineers say that artificial intelligence performs better than humans. Artificial intelligence is a theory and development of computer system that can perform tasks that a normal human can do. Artificial intelligence is used in several video games also. How artificial intelligence can impact e-commerce experience. Improved chatbots. A website bot that acts as a customer service representative. Voice recognition. Voice assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Augmented reality. Customers can virtually try on accessories and apparels. Visual searching. Customers can search the product by uploading the photos of it. Facial recognition. This is to identify the customer's age, gender, and other physical qualities to know more about their interest. Product recommendation. Suggest new products according to the demographics, location data, etc. Fraud protection. Rely on banks and payments institutions to detect credit card fraud. And at last, the conclusion. E-commerce has been played a vital role in the Indian economy. E-commerce offers many benefits to the customers. Nowadays, e-commerce is mostly used than the traditional commerce. Nowadays, artificial intelligence also play an important role in e-commerce sector. Introduction of artificial intelligence in e-commerce has made a revolution. And here I am done with my presentation, and thank you all for listening to my presentation. Thank you.